What's up, YouTube? Back again. It's your boy KRFX. Back again on YouTube once again. It's been long since I uploaded on YouTube. I think it's been like 5 months or something. Mostly because I've been working on myself, man. This forex thing, this trading thing. It's like a self-development thing, I'm joking, I'm just bullshitting you guys. I've been so lazy to upload on YouTube, and I don't know when was the last time I uploaded set up on my group, but I'm back again. I wanna be consistent, so today I'm gonna be documenting my journey with this South African prop firm. I've been using it for a while now, and it's legit, it's legit. So I'm gonna be documenting my journey with it. I recently put an account for like 600 and something rands, but it was a discount thing, 50% discount, and I don't think it's there anymore, but we're gonna review it, check the prices, check everything. It's a good profit from my own point of view. It's very good. So it's a profit backed up by RSH markets and space markets. Those are like two South African brokers, big brokers actually. I've used those brokers, they're good, fast withdrawals and all that. So on this video I'm going to be telling you more about my experience with the pro firm and our challenge. We're going to be challenging ourselves with the account that I recently bought, but I'm in Drawdown. So we're going to be trading that account together, documenting the journey and all that. So let's get into the screen and see the website, the pro firm basically. So if you're looking at the screen, you can see that we have Comit Capital, which is, I can say it's a new thing. I think it's been there for like a year or two, I'm not really sure. By the way, this is not a promo video or anything. I'm just giving my honest review with this prop firm. I've been trading with it, and it's a good prop firm, I won't lie. South African prop firm, one of the best. So let's get into it. So currently on the home page, I haven't looked into my account, but as you can see, it's a nice view. Get funded, join the community, do your challenge, and sort of. So we're gonna be going through the features, the pricing, and the rules, right? We're gonna be going through that. So when you're on the welcome page, I won't lie, it's a really good dashboard. It is a really good dashboard. So they fund up to 4 million in rands, which is like $200,000. Imagine getting funded 4 million rands. That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. So as we go down, we see that the pro firm is backed up by RSH markets and space markets. FSCSA regulated, both regulated. I won't lie, personally I've traded RSH markets. It's a good broker, fast withdrawals and all that. I don't know about space markets, I haven't used space markets, but from those who use it, they don't complain. So I guess that's a good thing. As you scroll down, you see the accounts. So the good thing is they have instant funding, which is a very good thing not for me personally, but for other traders that want to go through phase 1 and phase 2. It's a good thing. Getting instantly funded. It's a good thing, I won't lie, but it comes with its own risks, like having a daily drawdown of 3%. You don't really have room to trade 3% and maximum being 5%. I won't lie, that's too small, but if you really trust yourself in the strategy, it is good. So when they're instant funded, they have the $1,250,000 account and the 2.5. So in ZAR, that's 25,000 for the 1.250 and 50,000 for the 2.5. It's good, I won't lie. So profit target, since an instant funding account there's no target, you get the account you trade. I guess you have to pass the 3 trading days. Yeah, you have to pass the 3 trading days. And profit cap 80%, profit split 70%. That's good. Leverage being 1:100. That's a good leverage. You can work with that. First withdrawal in 3 days, which is you have to complete 3 trading days. Payouts daily. Now we're talking, man. Come on. Which other pro firm has daily payouts? You make your money, get your money, make your money, get your money. Personally, I really hate pro firms that hold my money for like, they say 2 weeks, you get your money in 2 weeks. Man, I'll end up losing that money. But with Comit Capital, if you make money today, withdraw it, you get it. That's a good thing. It's gotta be a good thing, I won't lie. So it's going for how much? So the 25,000 one is going for like 2.5. Honestly, I think I don't know how to feel about that, but I think it's okay. Honestly, I think it's okay, because getting instantly funded, if you know that you know how to trade, you can make your money like a day or two, but let's not rush getting your money back. The whole thing about trading is securing profits. Whether you lose, whether you win, that's how trading is, man. So I guess it's not a bad thing. With the 50,000 one, same rules, same splits, everything, payouts daily, but the pricing is 5,000. Instant funding, that's good. I would buy that. I would buy it, honestly. What we're gonna do is, currently I have a two-phase account. So if I pass that account and get funded, I'm gonna buy the first one to test it out, so we can see how it works. Bear in mind, I've been trading with this prop firm. Like I said, it's a good prop firm. I like it. So that's why I'm giving like my honest review. I'm gonna say everything that I like and what I don't like. Let's go to one phase challenge. So on the one phase challenge, we're gonna start with the USD currency. There's the 2.5, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100 to 200,000. Like I said, they have up to 4 million in funding. Imagine, that's a good profit, I won't lie. I know this video seems like it's a pro moment. It's not. I'm just being honest about the profit. I really like it. I've never seen such since I've started trading, and I've been in this industry for like 2 years now, which is not a lot of experience, but it says something. So, wow, with the ZAR currency, starting off 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, 500, 1 million, 2 meter, 4 million. For my South Africans watching, they know what 2 meter is. Man, I just can't hold it. 2 meters, 2 million, by the way. So yeah, we have 2 million funding, 4 million funding. I really like it. I hope in the future I'm gonna buy something around 4 million because that's a lot of funding. You can make a lot of money from that, honestly. I've watched who's this guy? Goat Andy. Man, the guy is the goat. I think he's funded like 8 million. Usually trades. I'm gonna say he really trades. What do I wanna say? He's a good trader. He's a good trader. I've watched his videos, man. Really inspiring. He bought the 2 million account in the 4. I don't know how much he made, but he was making something from it. So I'm not gonna review all of these amounts. I'm just gonna choose something in the middle, like 500,000. You know. So 500,000 goes for like 5.2, which is one phase challenge. Profit target being 10%. So you have to make like 10% of 500,000 for you to get funded. That's okay. I would like, but which other ones? 10% phase 1. No, that's good. That's good. Phase 2 usually is around 8% and 6% on other prop firms, not this one. But yeah, we're not comparing or anything. So profit target 10%, minimum trading days 3. You can hold in allowed, and that's a good thing. But bear in mind there's swaps and fees that you pay for that for holding over weekend. Maximum daily drawdown 4%, maximum overall 6%. Okay, at least if they made the maximum 5, the daily drawdown 5%, and overall I don't know 8 would have been good. The thing with me is I don't really like buying one phase challenge. I feel like it's for people that that have the get rich quick mindset, you know. I don't really like it for my own personal view. One phase challenge isn't, I won't recommend it for like beginner traders. It's good, but you know, it has its own challenges. So payouts daily, first withdrawal 3 days, which is good. Leverage same leverage as the instant funding. Profit split 75. Wow, that's good. So 75%. Yeah, that's really good, man. That's really good. If you make decent amounts of money, I would lie, it's good. 25% is really nothing. If they take me 25%, you can 75. That's a good split. That's a good split. Profit cap 80%. That's good. So the other feature with these accounts, right? I saw the announcement on Instagram. They said they once had a consistency rule, which was I don't know 40% or something. They removed it for all the accounts except for the, I think the 2 million and the 4 million. They removed that. Imagine you don't have consistency rule. You can get your payouts, no stories, as long as you don't breach the rules, and we're gonna keep to the rules. So yeah, the 4 million account is 17.8 rands, the 2 million 14, the 1 million 8, which is a decent price, man. I won't lie. 8,000 is a decent amount of money. Imagine having to pass phase 1 with I'm sure you have to make something like 100,000 for you to pass phase 1 on the 1 million account, right? So if you do that and you pass phase 1 with 100,000 and you make 100 more thousand, since you're able to make like 100,000 for you to get funded, which means you can make that again or more. So imagine make that. You're gonna be rich, man. I'm not saying buy this account, but I'm just saying from my own perspective, it's a good deal buying it for 8,000. is a good deal. The 200,000 being 2.7, the 100,000 being 1.6, the 50,000 one being 1,035 rands. So these prices just convert them to USD, right? With the rate being 18 rands, I guess it's gonna be the same pricing, nothing's different. 150, 2.7, yeah, it's the same pricing, I guess. So you get to choose which broker you want to trade with, since they are backed up with the two brokers, Space Markets and RCG. Let's move on to two-phase challenge. Like I said, I like the two-phase challenges more. I don't know why, but I like it more. So on the two-phase, you get from 25,000 rands, which is 1.215 USD. That you don't get it on the one phase, but on the two-phase challenge you get it. Yeah. So we're starting from 25,000 all the way to 4 million. This time the rules, the pricing is different, since the two-phase is much cheaper than the one phase. So we're gonna go through the challenge detail first. Profit target for phase 1, 10%. Okay, that's good. Step 2, 6%. That's good. Minimum trading days, still been 3. Weekend holding allowed. Maximum daily drawdown 5%. Maximum overall drawdown 10%. So you see, with two-phase challenge, you have more room to trade your funds. You're not under pressure, like 3% daily drawdown. No, 5% is a lot. 5% is a lot. And the maximum being 10%. That's good. Profit cap 80%, profit split 85%. Now this is where it gets interesting. On the one phase challenge, they said the profit split is 75, and on the two phase 85. 85 is really a lot, man. They're only getting 15%. This is what the programs tells you. This programs tells you that they are more focused on making you a better trader than your money, man. I don't really think they care about you buying the account. They just want to make you a better trader. Because getting 25,000 rands in funding for 690, and then being able to split profits 18, 85, 15. That's a lot, man, I won't lie. And getting daily payouts, come on, that's gotta be the best thing. So yeah, daily payouts, first draw, 3 days, that's good, I won't lie. So the pricing, it's a bit cheaper. We're starting off with the 25,000 rand, 690, 50,000, 120, 100,000, 1.2, 200,000, 2.1, 500,000 being 4.2, the 1 million being 6,290, the 2 million being 10,499, which is 10.5, the 4 million being 16,000. That's a fair trade. That's fair, I think. So even if you choose RCG or Space Markets, the pricing is still the same. You're just choosing which broker you wanna trade with. So let's say you have experience with RCG Markets. You're gonna trade with RCG Markets. If you have experience with Space Markets, you're gonna trade with Space Markets, depending on what you like. But I would really recommend RCG Markets, since I've experienced RCG Markets. So yeah, that's it for the dashboard, the welcoming page. That before you log in, this is what you see. So secure funding in 3 simple steps. Accept the challenge, complete verification, trade through capital. So with the verification, for my account, it took how many days? Not even days. I uploaded my documents like today. Next day they were approved already. So yeah, that was good for me. Personally, that was good. So let's get into let's log into the website and see more about this client login. I'm gonna put my password there. We'll come back. Okay, so here we are. This is the dashboard, right, for the account, where you see all your analytics and everything, your current account and everything. So I recently bought the 100,000 account, right? And here we are, as you can see, two-phase. Our 100K is our step one. I bought it on Monday, and I mean 6% drawdown, 5.7% drawdown right now. The market wasn't really good this week, and I won't lie, gold really took me down. So yeah, as you can see, this is the dashboard. I really like it, honestly. It tells me everything that I need to know. My average winning trade, total winning trades, average losing trade, total losing trades, most traded symbols, as you can see here. So let's go on with the rules, right? They have hard breach rules and soft breach rules. I think most firms have that. So the max drawdown per day reached 5% balance, that's a hard breach. And overall max drawdown 10%, that's a hard breach. Account cancellation, one major violation within account lifetime. So those are the only two hard breach rules. Soft breach, placing trades within 5 minutes before and after announcement high impact economic news. So that's one thing that I don't really like, because with news trading you really know how the market moves fast. So if you're able to close in like 5 minutes, there's a chance you might lose. You get the right direction, but you're not able to close your profits. So I really think trading news with prop firms is useless, man. And here I get to see my closed trades, if I wanna see where I went wrong. I can come here and check all my trades that I took. As you can see, I have no violations so far. Everything is good. Honestly, for me, how it feels, right? I just treat this account like a 5,000 real account, because I'm able to lose 5,000 a day, a day. So I just treat like a 5,000 real account. There's no much hidden rules, man, that I need to know about, that are gonna scare me to not take big trades or anything. There's no consistency rule, so which means I'm able to make any amount of money I wanna make in a day, That's good. So let's say you're funded, you make 100,000 in a day. No one is gonna question you. They're not gonna tell you about consistency and all that. It's all you, man. So that's how good this program is. So let me show you something. As you can see, we have bought a lot of accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not really 4, because I think I have another one, which is not this one. I have another one. So on this side panel, we have dashboard, analysis hub, challenges, accounts, certificates, trading tools, orders, payouts, know your customer, and support. I've never reached out with the support because, man, I won't lie, their services are really good, so I've never faced any challenges before. Now let's move out to the analysis hub. So as you can see, here I can see my net profit and loss, equity, recover factor, number of trades, gross loss, gross profit, balance, drawdown, absolute, profit factor, and a graph of how my trading is, and a trading journal. You don't really need to write down your trades. All your trades you took are here. I just like how this overview is, the summary. Here, 8 trades, I made 600 here, 5 closed, lost 4,000, lost 2,000, lost 1.4, and made 1 point something here. Then usually I didn't trade on Saturday because on the broker with RSH you're able to trade synthetics on weekends, but with the prop firms I've never like seen them. So I don't know if they're going to be adding them soon. Who would really like that, by the way? If Comit Capital is watching, come on, sponsor the boy, come on. So yeah, I really like this overview and the summary of my trades. Here they have every information on how long I took the trade, like how long I held the trades and all that. I really like it. So that when they tell you about a specific breach, you are not surprised. By the way, I know you're not allowed to open a trade and close it in less than 5 to 10 minutes because it's considered scalping and hedging. So yeah, if you open a trade, just hold it for like longer than 5 minutes. So before you purchase any challenges, right, on that page, the first page, the welcome page, you go to frequently asked questions. They'll answer all your questions. Like if you wanna know what kind of trading they allow, scalping and hedging, you will know every rule. Here I didn't really tell you all the rules, but they're there. I don't wanna make this video too long, so that's why I'm making it short. Yeah, I'm making it short. So let's go to trading tools. Here I have my certificates. Yeah, buy your, or here choose the accounts that I have. You buy your challenges here. Yeah, that's it. So let's go to trading tools. So as you can see, we have economic calendar. So if you want to know what events are available, you go here, you choose your source, the source that you trust more. Forex Factory is the one that I use, so they show you the time, currency, impact, forecast, and previous. Everything you need to know about the event is there. And the heat map, you get it also. So I think this is a really good feature. I won't lie, this is a really good feature. You don't really need to go to other websites, just have it all in one website, in one website. It's a website, so you have it all in one. You don't really need a trading journal. You can journal on the web. trading tools are there, everything. All you need is your mindset, your skill to make money. So KYC, as you can see, I'm approved. Actually, it took like 24 hours, less than 24 hours I was approved. Because I remember I uploaded like late at night, and then the next morning they were done. So it was like less than 24 hours, which applies to their withdrawals, their faster withdrawals. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna document this journey with me. If we fail this account, I'm gonna buy another one. Then we document till I get a withdrawal. So I'm gonna try getting you guys a discount code that I used. If it's still available, I'm gonna put it down on this video. I'm gonna put it over here if it's still available. If it's not there, just know it's not there. So we have the support here. You open a ticket if you have a problem. So you can see I've never opened a ticket because I've never had a problem with this program. Here, go to my profile, approved, everything is okay. So yeah, now I'm gonna go with you the reasons why I like this program. Daily withdrawals, faster withdrawals, the number of trading days. 3 days is good. I've traded with this other program, I won't name it. It wanted me to trade 5 or 7 days, 5 days, which is a lot, man. If I'm a trader, I want to trade and get my money. I don't want to wait for my money. So it's a good thing that they offer you 3 trading days and daily payouts. As long as you don't breach the account, you're good. You're really good. So yeah, I really think this is a good program. You guys should try it out. If you're South African, I don't know for other continents, but if you're South African and you're looking for a prop firm, I would recommend this one. Most people don't trust South African brokers, prop firms and all that, but this one, it has to be the best. So what we're gonna do is, starting from Monday, I'm gonna be dropping a video of every trade that I take, so that we document each and every move till we get our payouts, till we get to the 4 million funded account. I want to really experience how it is to trade with huge amounts. I've never traded such huge amounts with prop firms. I've only been like the 100, 200,000, 50,000, you know. I feel like big amounts are gonna alter my psychology, and yeah, but it's time I try it. So we're really gonna scale it up and try to get 4 million funded. But before the year ends, okay, man. Before the year ends, we gotta dream big. So I would like to shout out to Comit Capital, RCG and Space Markets for such an amazing prop firm. This is really amazing. This is what we need as traders. Most importantly, daily payouts, man. Daily payouts. Imagine, it's more like trading from your own personal account. You can withdraw daily. You make money, withdraw. You make money, withdraw. Pardon. So yeah, platforms, they use MT5, which lets you know that it's real, because paying for MT5, for like to use MT5 is really expensive. So if you see a prop firm using MT5, just know there's a chance that they're scamming you, man. So yeah, we've went through everything. Like I said, if you need to know more about, let me look out and show you, like if you want to know more rules before you purchase the account. The first thing that I did before purchasing this account, okay, let me do this. Got another page. I went to this page, frequently asked questions. So if you have any questions, I'm sure they're gonna be answered on this side. Everything you need to know: capital allocation, profit split mechanics, risk management, allowed trading strategies, policies, automated trading, and they do allow automated trading. So for those my bros who like trading with robots, I'm not gonna say anything. Yeah, all know yourselves. If you like trading with robots, they're allowed here. Hopefully your robot is gonna work. I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. Hopefully it's gonna work. So yeah, if you're into trading with automated things, EAs, it's there. Payout frequency. I'm gonna repeat this. Daily payout. Man, this gotta be the best thing, I won't lie. So yeah. Music and trading, it's like I was saying, it's permitted, but you have to you're not allowed to close the trades within 5 minutes, or else you're gonna breach your account. So yeah, I really hope I shared valuable information for those who are struggling, looking for good performance. You've got one now. So yeah, try this one, guys. I won't lie, you won't be disappointed. It's a really good platform. So yeah, on Monday I'm gonna be uploading. I'm not really sure I'm gonna do it, but I have to. It's gonna be a short video of how my trades went. I'm just gonna be explaining how my trades went and all that, all the trades that I took. So yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be consistent, I promise, guys. I'm gonna be consistent now. If you're on the Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel. I'm gonna start posting trades there. So yeah, this is what we have for Comit Capital.